Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Connect app that is missing on Windows 11 PC. For your information, the Connect app in Windows 11 allows you to wirelessly project your computer screen to another device such as a TV or another computer using Miracast technology. It is useful for presentations, screen sharing, and extending your display to larger screens without the need for physical cables. By default, on Windows 11, Connect app does not come pre-installed. That means you must install it manually. To install Connect app on your Windows 11 PC, click on this one Start button, then click on Settings. Under Windows 11 Settings, click on this one System in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to bottom and click on this one Optional Features. Here you will find this one option, add an optional feature. Beside that, click on this one view features button. Here you need to find out wireless display. Wireless display, check this one wireless display option, then click on this one next button. It will again click on this one add button. It will take a few seconds depending on your PC speed and internet speed, and will add wireless display on your Windows 11 PC. After installing this one wireless display, restart your PC, and after that when you will click on the start button or search box and find the Connect app, you will find that app on your Windows 11 PC. And after that, restarting your PC, you can use this one Connect app on your Windows 11 machine. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.